Hi, this is Cliff with Rooftop Chimney and Roof Services, and today we're demolishing a old oil furnace chimney, tearing it down through the middle of the house. This is our exhaust tube that will exhaust all the dust as the bricks are pulled out through the bottom of the chimney in the basement, and it also keeps the basement from becoming dusted. I'll show you the setup here real quick in the basement. Here's our exhaust tube. The fan system's fixed into the chimney. We're pulling bricks out from this hole right here and ferrying them out, and all the dust is traveling out of this tube outside so we don't dust out the inside of the basement.
And here we have our exhaust system blowing out, sucking out dust from the basement chimney so we don't dust out the basement.
And the demolition is complete on the main floor. Obviously we'll be doing some cleanup here. And looking down into the basement. We have the chimney demolished down to the basement. And we're going to continue down to the floor. Our fan is working well, and we'll lower it down as we lower the chimney down. And we have the chimney completely demolished. All that's left is the concrete pad and the cleanup.
Here we have no chimney left and just the base. And we're in the bottom of the basement here, and we're just cleaning up. And there she is.
So it's been an adventuresome day?
Oh yeah.
Yes, indeed.
Much in dust.
Well, this is Cliff with Rooftop Chimney and Roof Services, completing the demolition of a 100-year-old plus furnace chimney from the roof down 3 stories to the basement. Thanks for watching.